Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will learn how to read text from the Windows clipboard using Python. The Windows clipboard is a temporary storage area that holds text and other data that you can copy and paste between different applications. Python provides a library called pyperclip that makes it easy to interact with the clipboard on Windows. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download and install Python from the official Python website. Additionally, you will need to install the pyperclip library. You can do this using pip, the Python package manager, by running the following command in your command prompt or terminal. Once you have pyperclip installed, you can use it to read text from the Windows clipboard in just a few lines of code. Let's break down what each part of this code does. We import the pyperclip module, which provides functions for interacting with the clipboard. We use pyperclip.paste to retrieve the text currently stored in the clipboard and store it in the clipboard_text variable. Finally, we print the text obtained from the clipboard to the console. Let's put this code into action with an example. Suppose you have copied the text "Hello, clipboard" to your clipboard from another application. You can then run the code above to read and print this text from the clipboard. When you run this code, the output should be. In this tutorial, we learned how to read text from the Windows clipboard using Python and the pyperclip library. This can be useful for automating tasks that involve copying and pasting text between different applications or for creating custom clipboard managers. Feel free to explore other features of the pyperclip library to interact with the clipboard in more advanced ways. ChatGPT